is what spring break and 9 hours of sleep looks like. So I'm officially on spring break and I have nothing on my schedule. It's kind of scary. Tonight at midnight, Austin and I leave for New York. It is warm and it is pretty outside, and I'm going to go play. Oh. Forgot that there was nothing to do here. Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go over to a place to get the oil changed, my car checked out so that we don't have any breakdown issues on our way to New York. Afterward, I'm going to meet Austin and then a bunch of other guys over at a volleyball court, and we're gonna go play volleyball for a while. And then at around 9 p.m., Austin and I are going to head to New York. We're leaving a little bit early just because we can't hold our excitement in. It's about a 13-hour drive. I guess with breaks, it's gonna be closer to like 15 or 16. Not a big deal, we'll just take turns driving. Should be fun. So this might be some kind of rollover vlog because we'll be traveling for pretty much today and tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. How's it going, Hank? I'm driving to New York later and I just need to like get my fluids and oil change and stuff like that. Okay, sounds good. See you later. My expedition was in vain. They're too busy to do my car today. I don't know what I'm gonna do. For some reason, every single maintenance place is closed on every Sunday. So the predicament is every single maintenance place is closed on Sunday. Hey dude.
You ready to get your volleyball on?
Yeah, baby.
Clip.
So, my hunger got the best of me, so I'm on my way home to go get some food. I know. We have to keep. Bye all.
Careful. Starting route to 3151 Broadway. Head southeast on Jodham Down Road.
Ah! Austin and I are officially on our way to New York. We only have
in 1.7 miles.
12 hours and 58 minutes left plus traffic and tolls.
Not bad.
Eric and I are gonna start this vlog. Nope. Eric and I are gonna start this trip off with my favorite song by Air. Here to others, late day rain. And 178 miles continue on I-85 North. We are going to be on this same exact highway for like the next 2 to 3 hours. 3 hours. We're gonna be on the same exact road for 3 hours unless we decide to stop.
And then we continue for another who knows how long.
Yeah, God only knows. I probably won't film for a little while longer just because if we filmed literally the entire driving process, there would be 8 hours worth of footage to go through, and that's not fun for us, and it's not fun for you guys to watch. So, God only knows when you're gonna see us again.
That means it's time to get gas.
What?
I need to put some money on one of the pumps.
Alright, how much you gonna put on there?
Probably 30 bucks.
30?
Yeah. Thanks, Adam, I appreciate it. Have a great night. It is 2 a.m. I've been driving for approximately 6 hours. What is that? Are you serious?